all and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's discuss about Odoo 14 HR localization package available for Belgium. So let's go to Odoo App Store and search for the country Belgium. So first we have to remove the apps filter. Modules. So this contains the modules contains the modules in fiscal localization package that is related to accounting and also HR localization package. So for fiscal localization package for Belgium, we have done a separate video. So please go to that. And in HR localization package, you can see here we have a module Belgium payroll. So after installing this module, automatically some submodules are installed. Like you can see here, some document modules. So first one you can see documents Belgian payroll. Then Belgian payroll 273S or 274.xs sheets in documents, that is withholding taxes exports in documents, and then for withholding taxes exports for FinProf and withholding taxes exemption. Okay, so this one is withholding taxes exemption. So in Belgium country, in Belgium localization, we use different forms in order to file withholding taxes. So the employer is required to do some actions like deduct withholding taxes from salary of employee, pay withholding taxes monthly or quarterly to tax authorities, and file monthly or quarterly withholding tax return. So that one is known as Form 274. You can see that 274.xs sheet here. So it's available in our payroll module. So you can see there are two modules, that is these exports are we can see in documents, and then exports for FinProf. So with withholding taxes on earned income. So when you check payroll module, you can see some additional reporting menus here. So here you can see 273 S sheet and 274.xs sheet. So you can see when you click on that, an error message shown. You must be logged in a Belgian country to use this feature. So we have to set the company first. For the country, set as Belgium. And what we can manage our companies. And we can set the country as Belgium. And you can add email, website details. So we have to save this. Now we have configured the company details. After that, you can switch to that company from here, whose country is set as Belgium. So when you click on this, and you can see find the company. So just click on that company name, and automatically company will be switched to that name. And if you want to add logo for your company, you can set that from here. Okay. Now let me check the payroll module. And when you try to generate the sheet, open the sheet, you can see here. Yes. When you click on that, so you can select the PDF from here, and you can export the sheet as XML file or PDF file. And we also have a reporting for 274-point Excel sheet. So here we can filter by reference period, that is start date and end date, and you can also see the total taxable amount, withholding taxes and exempted amount. Then you can also see the total amount related to masters, bachelors. So you can see different qualification here, and you will also able to see the employee lines with a certificate label and the total amount, that is taxable amount and accepted. So from here, it's possible to create 274-point Excel sheet, and we can also export this sheet as XML file or XLS file, and we can also the post entries. That is, we can post the journal entries using this button. So we can file the withholding tax return using this form. So let's come back to Road App Store and then again search for the country. Okay, so for documents, that is using this documents Belgian payroll, we can store employee 281.10 and 281.45 forms in document application. So what is this 281.10? So this one is an individual form. So the employer issues these forms to the employees. So on this individual forms, you can read as employee the data you need to fill out your tax return, that is salary, vacation allowances, etc. And then we have 281.45 form. So this one is a form that is movable income. Then you can see an additional module, Belgian payroll withholding tax exemption. So when you install that and when you go to payroll module and you check the configuration settings, so you can set data configuration related to withholding taxes exemption, that is journal entry accounts. So here we can add salary journal, doctors or civil engineers or masters. For configuration, you can add journal, then bachelors. Then it's also possible to add capping for bachelors. So we can only set a maximum. We can't set beyond the maximum. Okay, so let's save this after making modification. Okay, so after that, then you can see a module that integrated with accounting, that is payroll with Belgian payroll with accounting, then Belgian payroll fleet. So you can see it is related to that accounting and fleet, and then we have a module that manages post employees. So Belgian payroll posted employee. So Belgium welcomes the third highest number of posted workers in the European Union. Employers sending posted workers to Belgium face obligations and liabilities according to the stipulations of the EU Posted Workers Directive. So these obligations include prior notifications of posting, appointment of a liaison officer for the authorities, and keeping of certain social documents and respecting the Belgian labor, salary and employment conditions. And recently, some of the conditions are amended also. So, according to European Commission, the definition can be simple. So this posted employee is nothing but an employee who is sent by his employer to carry out the service in another EU member state or temporary basis. So, in the context of contract of services, and intra-group posting or hiring out through a temporary agency. So we can manage this posted employee using this module. Then here we can see a module that is salary configurator. So we can manage salary package configurator. So when you install this module inside your payroll, you can see an additional menu. So here you can see salary package configurator with three menus, that is advantages, personal information, and resume. So when you click on advantages, here you can see the advantages available for Belgian country. So you can see salary structure type as Belgian employee. So you can see different advantages are pre-configured for this country. So you can see double holiday pay. So this one is yearly advantages cash in cash. And in Belgian localization package, we have some personal informations. And you can see we already have personal informations and then resume details. So for Belgian employee, you can see here there are 5 additional resumes available. That is nature, cash, annual time off, and extra time off. So here we can see the category of the resume, then salary structure type. Okay, so here we can see Belgian payroll advantage proration. So when you hire for a new job, you typically receive a benefits package, a salary package that includes not only vacation, insurance benefits, uh, but also some salary information. So employees prorate salaries for several reasons, and understanding how they intend to do so in advance can open up opportunities to negotiate your prorated salary or other benefits. So these advantages or benefits are available in your package, that is salary package. Okay. So using the available salary configurator, that is, we can use a configurator to please everyone. So based on the plan model, this program allows employees of a company to choose what their salary package will consist of. So depending on your situation and priorities, you will be interested in different salary benefits than your colleague. So using this module, you can choose only the benefits you want. So while keeping the employer cost at the same level. And so our module salary configurator is integrated with can be integrated with payroll, employees recruitment, and fleet applications. Okay, so we have discussed about salary configurator and then advantage proration. Then we have another module, that is Belgian payroll impulsion plans, that provides impulsion plans, that is forums. So this one is a legal forum that is a legal test which can be published in Belgian official gazette. Okay, then we can manage variable revenue, that is we have a module Belgian payroll variable revenue, and then you can see test Belgian payroll and then Belgian registered cash register, that is employee, that is Belgian registered cash register employee module. So this module allows employees, that is non-users, to log into the point of sale application using the fiscal data module. And along with this, you can also find some additional data. That is, when you click on salary structure, you can see for Belgian employee, we have additional three salary structures added. So you can see standard 30 hours per week as default working hour for one, and you can also see a different one for another structure type. And you can see a different regular pay structures created. Okay, so when you open one, here we can see the country which uses the salary structure type and the wage type set for that salary structure, then the default working hour, then the regular pay structure set, and the default schedule pay for the structure type. Okay, so under this structure tab, you can see there are 8 structures created, that is configured. So here we can see employees double holidays, monthly pay, termination fees, commission on target. So when you open one, you can see different salary rules that comes inside the salary structure. So you can see basic salary advantages, then the attachment of salary, withholding tax, gross social contributions. So these things are added. And additionally, you can add unpaid work entry types, other input type. Okay, and then you can see the country is set as Belgium. So you can see the rules here. So these rules are configured, that is filtered by salary structure. Okay. And then for a company, you can see work time is set as 38 hours per week. So here we can add the working hours. So some working hours are already added, as shifts are added, and you can edit this or add additional working hours and global time off. So by clicking on this button, create company public time off, we can create a global time off for a company. Okay, so these are the options available in Belgian payroll.